All your life, you've probably believed that we live on the surface of Earth, under the open sky. But what if I told you that's not the whole truth? Yes, the reality is very different. And once you understand which part of Earth we actually live in, you'll be shocked. So stay tuned until the end of this video. First, let's break down Earth's structure. At first glance, it looks like a solid sphere, but inside it's layered like an onion. Generally, scientists divide Earth into three main layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. Now, the big question is, on which of these layers do we live? At the very center lies the core, made of iron and nickel. It generates Earth's magnetic field. Even though it's solid, the core is scorching hot, about 6,000 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as the surface of the sun. Clearly, no life could ever exist there. Next comes the mantle, the middle layer, made of molten rock. This is where magma originates, which escapes through volcanoes at the surface. Again, life here would be impossible. Finally, we have the outermost layer, the crust. It's the thinnest of all, with varying thickness across regions. Yet this fragile shell is where everything exists: our oceans, rivers, mountains, forests, animals, and even our homes. This is also the only layer visible from space. But here's where it gets interesting. If someone asks, do we live inside the Earth or outside it? The obvious answer is we live on the crust, on the surface of Earth. But think about this. Astronauts looking from space see a glowing blue and green planet surrounded by darkness. Yet when we look up from Earth, we see a blue sky. That's because between us and outer space lies a protective blanket, the atmosphere. It scatters sunlight and makes the sky appear blue. This invisible shield extends up to 100 kilometers and protects us from cosmic radiation and meteor strikes. Without it, life on Earth wouldn't survive even a single second. So in reality, we don't live outside the Earth. We live inside a protective bubble of atmosphere, just like fish live inside water. Now the question is, what do you believe? Are we truly living inside Earth or outside it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this blew your mind, don't forget to like and share this video.